There are two kinds of intersection. You have protected intersection and unprotected intersection. Those protected intersections are with the green arrows. The moment the light turns green and there's an arrow turning left, then it's your right of way. You can just go. You don't have to wait for anyone. You simply just go. That's your protected intersection, meaning it's your right of way when you go left. Let's go. Always go to the correct lanes. Lane 1 is to lane 1. Right turn, right lane. Whenever you are in an unprotected intersection, they allow you to go in the middle and wait for the gap. If you're free, then you're always good to go. Okay, slowly go towards the middle. When the car passes you by, then that's the time for you to make a left turn on your correct lane. Left turn, left lane. Okay. Left turn, yield on green. Every time it's a green, you have to wait for the cars going straight or right because they have the right of way. When you see the last car, that's the time you move and then make a left turn. Unprotected intersection and a protected intersection at the same time. This intersection has both worlds. It is a protected intersection and at the same time an unprotected intersection. Once you have the green arrow, then you have the right of way. You just have to take it. There you go. You have two greens, an arrow and a regular green light. Once the arrow disappears, you lose your right of way, and those vehicles going straight or right now has the right of way.